Welcome to Nutrinova TV. Today, we're diving deep into a common and frustrating skin problem, warts. Have you been struggling with warts and looking for effective natural solutions to get rid of them once and for all? Well, you're exactly where you need to be. In today's episode, we'll explore several easy-to-find natural remedies that you can apply at home to clear your skin of warts without resorting to harsh chemical treatments. These methods are not only simple and cost-effective, but also gentle on your skin, ensuring that you tackle the problem without causing additional irritation or harm. So, gear up and get ready to transform your skincare routine as we uncover these powerful, natural solutions to banish warts for good. Let's get started and embrace a healthier, clearer skin journey today. Apple cider vinegar. First on our list is apple cider vinegar, a time-honored remedy renowned for its potent acidity and versatile health benefits. This household staple works wonders on warts thanks to its high acetic acid content, which attacks the wart tissue, causing it to peel away gradually. To harness the power of apple cider vinegar, you'll want to soak a cotton ball thoroughly in the vinegar, place it directly on the wart, and then secure it with a bandage or medical tape. For best results, leave this compress on overnight to allow the acid to deeply penetrate and start breaking down the wart tissue. With consistent nightly applications, you will notice the wart beginning to diminish as the acidic environment created by the vinegar disrupts the growth and health of the wart cells, eventually causing them to die off. This method is effective and natural and minimizes the need for harsh chemical treatments, making it a preferred choice for many seeking a more holistic approach to skincare. Garlic. Following apple cider vinegar, we have garlic, a powerful natural remedy praised for its robust, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. Garlic isn't just a staple in the kitchen. It's also a potent ally against various skin ailments, including warts. The secret behind garlic's effectiveness lies in its compounds, such as allicin, which have been shown to fight the HPV virus responsible for wart formation. To use garlic for wart removal, start by crushing a fresh clove to release its active ingredients. Apply the crushed garlic directly onto the wart, ensuring the area is completely covered. Secure it with a bandage to keep the garlic in place and prevent it from shifting. Leaving this treatment overnight maximizes contact time, allowing the garlic's natural enzymes to penetrate and combat the wart-causing virus effectively. Regular application can lead to the wart shrinking and eventually disappearing, thanks to garlic's virus-targeting action. This method is particularly favored for its simplicity and the accessibility of garlic, making it an easy and cost-effective home remedy for those seeking alternatives to conventional treatments. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is an excellent home remedy for warts due to its high citric acid content, which acts as a natural exfoliant to help break down and dissolve the tough layers of skin that make up the wart. The acidity of lemon juice not only helps in removing the wart, but also in killing the virus responsible for its formation, thanks to its antiviral properties. To effectively use lemon juice in your wart treatment regimen, begin by squeezing fresh juice from a lemon. The fresher the juice, the more potent the citric acid content will be, enhancing the remedy's effectiveness. Dip a clean cotton swab into the lemon juice, ensuring it's well saturated, and then apply it directly to the wart. This targeted application helps to maximize the contact of the acid with the wart, intensifying the treatment. For best results, apply the fresh lemon juice to the wart twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. After applying the juice, cover the wart with a small bandage or piece of medical tape. This not only keeps the area clean, but also keeps the lemon juice in contact with the wart for a longer period, allowing the acid more time to work. With regular application, you should start to notice the wart gradually diminishing as the citric acid works to erode the wart tissue. Additionally, lemon juice acts as a natural cleanser for the skin, helping to reduce any secondary infection risks by keeping the affected area sterile. Keep up with this routine, and over time, you will see significant improvements in the condition of your wart, leading to a clearer and healthier appearance of your skin. Baking soda. Baking soda is a versatile compound that, when combined with castor oil, forms a potent mixture capable of tackling stubborn warts. The mildly abrasive nature of baking soda exfoliates the affected area, while the castor oil, known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, penetrates deep to soothe the skin and enhance healing. To prepare this effective home remedy, start by mixing baking soda with a sufficient amount of castor oil to create a thick, cohesive paste. This paste should be directly applied to the wart, ensuring that it is completely covered. To secure the mixture and enhance its effectiveness, cover it with a clean bandage, creating a sealed environment that prevents the wart from breathing, thereby drying it out more effectively. Leave this application in place overnight to allow the active ingredients to disrupt the viral environment that supports the wart's growth. For best results, this treatment should be repeated nightly, monitoring the wart's response to the treatment. Over time, you will notice the wart begin to dry out, diminish, and eventually disappear, thanks to the persistent application of this simple yet powerful remedy. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, a potent antiviral and antiseptic agent derived from the leaves of the Melaleuca alternifolia tree, is highly effective in treating warts. Its powerful antiviral properties make it particularly useful for combating the HPV virus that causes wart formations. To use tea tree oil as a remedy, start by cleaning the affected area thoroughly to remove any debris or bacteria that might hinder the oil's effectiveness. Then, apply a small drop of pure tea tree oil directly onto the wart using a clean cotton swab or dropper. Be careful to apply the oil precisely to avoid irritating the surrounding skin, as tea tree oil can be quite potent. After applying the oil, cover the wart with a clean bandage to protect it and ensure that the oil stays in contact with the wart for maximum absorption. For the best results, repeat this treatment twice daily, once in the morning and once at night. This consistent application is crucial as it maintains a continuous antiviral action against the wart. Over time, you will likely notice the wart beginning to dry out and diminish as the tea tree oil penetrates and neutralizes the viral infection. Continue this treatment regimen until the wart completely disappears, which could take several weeks depending on its size and severity. Vitamin C. Moving on to vitamin C, this nutrient is not only essential for boosting your immune system, but also acts as a potent antiviral agent, making it an excellent choice for natural wart treatment. Vitamin C's high acidity levels make it perfect for attacking the HPV virus directly at the site of the wart. To harness the power of vitamin C against warts, you can take a simple approach by crushing a vitamin C tablet into a fine powder. Mix this powder with just enough water to form a thick paste. This paste can then be directly applied to the wart, ensuring the area is thoroughly covered. After applying, secure the paste with a bandage to maintain constant contact with the skin and allow it to act overnight. The acidic nature of vitamin C helps to corrode the wart and promotes a hostile environment for the virus, which can inhibit its growth and spread. With consistent application, this method can significantly diminish the wart's appearance and even eliminate it, providing a safe and effective treatment by leveraging your body's natural healing capabilities, enhanced by vitamin C. Aloe vera. Aloe vera, renowned for its soothing and healing properties, serves as an excellent natural remedy for warts. This plant's gel contains active compounds that provide antiviral benefits, essential for tackling the HPV virus responsible for warts. To use aloe vera effectively, extract fresh gel from an aloe vera leaf to ensure you're getting the most potent form of its active ingredients. Apply a generous amount of this gel directly onto the wart, ensuring it's fully coated. After applying the gel, cover the area with a clean bandage to create a protective barrier. This not only keeps the gel in place, allowing it to penetrate deeply into the skin, but also minimizes the wart's exposure to the environment, enhancing the antiviral effects. For optimal results, repeat this process daily, preferably before bedtime, allowing the aloe vera to work its magic overnight. The soothing properties of the gel not only reduce discomfort, but also aid in gradually reducing the size and severity of the wart, ultimately leading to its disappearance with consistent use. Banana peel. Banana peels are more than just waste. They're a treasure trove of beneficial nutrients and enzymes that can aid in the removal of warts. The inside of a banana peel contains potent enzymes and acids that are highly effective at breaking down the tough outer layer of warts. Moreover, banana peels are rich in natural oils that moisturize and nourish the skin, which can be particularly beneficial for healing the area affected by the wart. To use this remedy, start by selecting a ripe banana, as the peels of riper bananas contain higher concentrations of these beneficial properties. Before going to bed, take a piece of the peel and gently rub the inside, the white part, against the wart for a couple of minutes. This action helps transfer the peel's enzymes and oils directly onto the wart. After rubbing, cut a piece of the banana peel to size enough to cover the wart. Place the peel inside, part down, directly over the wart and secure it with a bandage or medical tape. This ensures that the beneficial compounds are in constant contact with the wart throughout the night. In the morning, remove the bandage and the peel and clean the area gently. Repeat this process nightly. With consistent treatment, you should begin to see the wart soften and gradually diminish as the natural compounds in the banana peel work to dissolve the wart's tissue. This method not only helps in removing the wart, but also keeps the skin healthy and hydrated, aiding in quicker recovery and minimizing scarring. And that wraps up our comprehensive guide to naturally removing warts using accessible and effective home remedies. Tackling warts may require persistence, so remember, consistency is crucial when applying these treatments. Make sure to use these remedies regularly and as directed to achieve the best results and truly banish warts for good. If you found this video useful and enjoyed our deep dive into natural wart remedies, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Nutrinova TV for more insightful health content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. We're here to help you on your journey to better health with tips, guides, and discussions on a wide range of health topics. We also encourage you to share your experiences and progress in the comments section below. Have these remedies worked for you? Do you have any tips or questions about treating warts? Let's build a community where we can share and learn from each other's experiences. We love hearing from you and value your feedback. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health and achieving clear, healthy skin. Stay tuned for more health tips and remedies from Nutrinova TV.